World Wildlife Day. March 3rd is proclaimed by the UN as the World Wildlife Day to celebrate and create awareness of the world's wild animals and plants. The animals and plants that live in the world have an intrinsic value, and they also contribute ecological, genetic, social, economical, educational, scientific and recreational aspects to the human well-being and also to sustainable development. World Wildlife Day is a day to celebrate and appreciate the many beautiful and the varied forms of plants and animals, and also to thank the multitude of benefits that we get from conserving them. At the same time, this day is also a reminder to ask us to step up to the urgent needs to the species crime, the wildlife crime, and the human-induced reduction of species, which can have a huge impact in future. The theme for this year is recovering key species for ecosystem restoration, actually to catch the attention of the status of certain critically endangered flora and fauna. So please conserve wildlife. Thank you.